Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can put picture in green screen on the Capcut mobile. So first, I'm going to tell you that you need to add the picture first before the green screen. So here I've already add a picture, and for the green screen you need to add it as overlay. So here I'm going to go click on overlay, add overlay, and I'm going to use the green screen overlay from Capcut. I'm going to find green screen. Okay, I'm going to use this one. Click on the overlay that you want to use. Now click on add. I'm going to fit the size. Now let's remove the green screen by using the chroma key. Adjust the color picker to the green screen of this and adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Okay, now click on the check icon and adjust. If you want to, just click on the main picture here and adjust the position. Okay, so now you are done and the picture has been added to the green screen like this. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.